was supernatural. You was hard and you was nasty. And you had this cast iron jaw. But then the worst thing happened to you that could happen to any fighter. You got civilized.
So why are you doing this?
Because you can't win, Rock. This guy will kill you to death inside of 3 rounds.
You're crazy.
What else is new?
He's just another fighter.
No, he ain't just another fighter. This guy is a wrecking machine. And he's hungry. Hell, you ain't been hungry since you won that belt.
Oh, what are you talking about? I've had 10 title defenses.
That was easy.
What do you mean easy?
He was handpicked.
Setups?
Now, setups. They was good fighters, but they wasn't killers like this guy. He'll knock you to tomorrow, Rock. Why don't you stand up and fight this guy hard?